Hey guys, with everything about the Galaxy S9 now behind us, the rumor mill is beginning to shift focus to Samsung's next flagship Galaxy S series smartphone and of course the flagship Galaxy Note series device. Barring any drastic change in plan, the Galaxy S9 successor might launch as the Galaxy S10, and while we might not get to see the device until next year, reports on what the device might bring to the table are already trickling in. The latest quote from Samsung's home country has it that the Galaxy S10, or whatever the company decides to call it, has been assigned the codename Beyond. Given this Beyond name, we are expecting that Samsung will make something that is beyond the Galaxy that we are used to and not just a crappy incremental upgrade. We expect Samsung to deliver on this. Given that the Galaxy S10 will be announced as the company's 10th anniversary flagship device, the reports further adds that Samsung has concluded plans to introduce an in-display fingerprint sensor with the Galaxy S10. There are not sufficient details to report about the expected specs, but previous reports have it that the Israel startup Ventus Vision is teaming up with camera module maker Namunga to develop 3D sensing camera technology for Samsung. Given that the Galaxy S10 launch is still months ahead, we are bound to see some conflicting reports in the following months, so please subscribe for the full coverage. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, see you soon.